zoom effect for a text using CSS animation. And here we will not use JavaScript for our animation. As we can see, the text Jenny is zooming out and then it zooms in. So both zoom in and zoom out effects are created. Coming to the HTML portion, first let me give the command for better readability. That is here we are going to do text zooming using CSS animation is my command. We will give zoom effect for the paragraph element and the element is Jenny. I am promoting my channel through this Jenny. For this paragraph, we will see how it will look in the preview. It's a static text aligned to the top left. Now we will go back to the HTML file and start giving the CSS styling for this paragraph element Jenny. For the paragraph first, we will give the text alignment shall be to the center so that when we zoom it is prominent for us, and also let me increase the font size to 10 pixel. Color of the text shall be blue, which is always a pleasant one. Uh, so at this stage, the preview window, yes, the text Jenny is to the center horizontally and it is of font size 10 pixel and color is blue color. Still it is a static text. We will start using the CSS animation to get the zooming effect. First let us call the animation with some name called text zoom. This animation name will be associated when we use at keyframes subsequently. And animation duration shall be 5 seconds. That is to zoom in and zoom out. We are giving the duration for one iteration as 5 seconds. Now the actual appearance of this animation is effective only when we start giving the at keyframes. First at 0%. We will start with the font size, that is with the default font size of 10 pixel. The zooming effect of the text comes if we play around with the font size. So at 0% the font size shall be 10 pixel and at 100% the font size shall be say 50 pixel. So when we move from 10 pixel to 100 pixel, it will look like zooming out of the text. And when we move back from 50 pixel to 10 pixel, it will be like zooming in. So both zoom in and zoom out effects are through this keyframes. Now first we will see, yes, our text has zoomed out. But then only once it has zoomed out, so we will have little more animation timing function. Let me choose it as linear and then animation iteration count has to be infinite so that it is not doing this animation only once. It has to be in loop and continues infinitely as long as we are in that web page. Once again, we will go to the preview window to see the effect after introducing infinite. Yes, it is zooming. After coming to 50 pixel, that is complete 100%, immediately it goes to 0% and then start again. Meaning only zoom out is happening, zoom in is not there. Zoom in is will happen only when we move from our 100% to 0%. So animation direction has to be both forward and reverse. That is, we have to alternate. With this alternate effect, We will go for the preview window again. Now the text Jenny has grown and again it is shrinked. Yes, the zoom out effect is there, and again after 100% it zooms in to 10 pixel, and it keeps alternating because we have introduced the animation direction as alternate.